So today we offered more trainings at Greenspan, where we cooked fish with coconut oil, and we also did ugali.
Ingredients: fresh tilapia cleaned and cut into large pieces, tomatoes, onions chopped, coconut cream, salt, water and maize flour. Let's make a simple and delicious coconut fried tilapia with ugali. We start by cleaning our fresh tilapia, cutting it into pieces and frying it until golden and crispy.
And my daughter is Zola 10. She's 6 years old. I first noticed she has an interest in the kitchen when she was 2 years. Yeah, so every time I used to go to cook for her, she used to follow me behind. She wants to do everything that I was doing in the kitchen. Yes.
Onions.
Next, we prepare a rich base by cooking onions and tomatoes in coconut oil until thick and flavorful. We add the fried fish, pour in creamy coconut milk and let it simmer gently to bring everything together. On the side, we make ugali by stirring maize flour into boiling water until firm and smooth. And just like that, our dish is ready, warm, hearty, and full of flavor.
Advise kids who want to learn how to cook to engage the parents, to tell them to let them join the Youngtastemasters cooking school. Yeah, that's the first step.
My name is Jen Wangi and my daughter's name is Tiffany Wanja. Cooking is fun. You learn a lot. Yeah. Today I've been here at Greenspan Mall, courtesy of Youngtastemasters. We have been having a cookout with kids. We have cooked fish and ugali.